Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine. I hope you all are fine, safe at your home and doing your online classes. Okay, so now math period is going on, and in which class are you studying? You studying in LKG class. So now we start our math session. But before start our session, we say thank you God for this day. So all of us join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. Astoma Satgamaya Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Now rub your hands and apply it on your eyes like this. Now we start our online session. In which subject? Math subject. In which subject? Math subject. So now first of all you take out your math notebooks. Fast. Now when the time you collect your notebook, pencil and eraser, we start our conversation. What is your school name? Tell me about your school name. Say in English, say in a sentence. Say, what is your school name? Tell me about your school name. Yes, my school name is Gokul Das Public School, Khargone. In which class do you study? Tell me about your class. Yes, I am in LKG class. Good. Now what about yourself? What is your name? Tell me about your name. Yes, my name is, and tell your name. Good. Then what about your parents? What is your mother's name? My mother's name is, and tell your mother name. What is your father's name? About your father, tell your father's name. My father's name is, and tell your father's name. Done. Okay, so now we start our math session. Today we discuss about revision all the concepts. We have already done all the concepts. So now we just revision of all the concepts. On number 1, big and small. On number 1, big and small. The concept of big and small. Check your notebook. We have already done the concept big and small. So now we do revision of the concept. What about big and small? What is big and what is small? Look at the pictures. Tiger is big and rat is small. According to their sizes, this one is big and this one is small one. The next one is strawberry and mango. Mango is big in their size and strawberry is small in their size. So small and big. Then ball, big, small. Now we will take another examples like this one is kite. This one is also a kite. But we differentiate in big and small. So which one is big and which one is small? According their sizes. Big, small. Concept of big and small. ये आपको याद रखना है. What is big and what is small? According their sizes, we differentiate big and small. Big, small. Big, small. Like this. Now we will take next example. Both are bags, but we differentiate in big and small. So which one is big one and which one is small one? Tell me about which one is big and which one is small. So, this bag is small in their size and this bag is big in their size. Okay, so first example is kite. Next example is bag. You understood about concept of big and small with the help of pictures, with the help of example. You understood what is big and what is small. Now turn the page. Look here. This flower is small in their size. This flower is big in their size. Small, big. Rat, small in their size. Elephant, big in their size. Small, big. Peacock and bird, sparrow. This is small in their size and this one is big in their size. Then candy and ice cream. So this one is big in their size and toffee is in small in their size. These are the big and small. Big and small. So you understood the concept of big and small. Then move to the next concept. Another one is number 2. Look here. Next one is long and short. Now see, this one is, which one is long and which one is short? Next one is long and short. Long and short. Look here. Look at the pictures. Long brush, short pen. पेन जो है वो short है. According their height. According their height. And according their height, the pen brush is long. This one is short. Second one is pant and shorts. Pant is long in their size and short is short in their size. Then leaf, two leaves are there, but one is short, one is long. Then snack, long, short. So these are the long and short. Now I am make the picture of long and short. Long pant, short pant. Long pant and short pant. So we differentiate about long and short. Long, short. Long and short. According their height. According their height, long pant and short pant. See the picture and differentiate about long and short. Long and short. Done. Now next example is another one example for long and short is both are bottles, but one is long in their size and one is short in their size. So which one is long? Short and long according their height. This bottle height is long. This bottle height is short. So short, long. The concept of short and long. Okay, turn the page. Two trains are there. Okay, one is only engine and one is full train. So this train is long, this train is short according their height. According their weight, this one is long, this one is short. Then board. One is long in their mouth, one is short. Her beak is long and her beak is short. So this type of long and short in your maths concept, long and short. You take your pencil also, long pencil and short pencil. Pen, long pen, short pen. Like this you understood the concept of long and short. So all are Number 2, concept number 2, long and short is done. All are understood the concept of long and short. Now move to the next concept. Next is heavy and light. Next one is heavy and light. Number 3. Number 3 is heavy and light according their weight. Okay, so heavy and light. According their weight, we have discussed about the concept heavy and light. Page number 7. Number 3 is heavy and light. Balloon, light in weight. Dumbbells, heavy in weight. Then motorbike, heavy. Bicycle, light. Red chilli, light in weight. Bottle cart, heavy in weight. Elephant, heavy in their weight. And frog, light in their weight. According to their weights, we have differentiate heavy and light. Okay, so I am taking the example bulb, balloon and bus. Now you differentiate heavy and light. Which thing is heavy and which thing is light? Balloon is light in their weight. Bus is heavy in their weight. According their weight. The next one is, next example is bat is a cricket bat and ball. According their weight, cricket bat is heavy and ball is light in there. Okay, so heavy and light like this. Okay, so these are the concepts we have done. Revision of the concept big and small, long and short, and heavy and light. You understood all the concept? Any doubt in their concept? So take out your book and see the pictures according their concept and differentiate between big and small, long and short, and last one is heavy and light. Okay, so now my lecture is over. Now we'll meet in my next lecture with new topic. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Do your work on time. Bye bye.